Today, you can theoretically create and sell a dietary supplement with virtually anything in it. If you want to make a quick profit, you can combine sildenafil, otherwise known as Viagra, add some powdered rice, package it into a capsule, and market it as an all-natural sexual enhancement supplement. In fact, there are several companies doing just this. They can be found on the publicly accessible FDA Health Fraud Product Database, which contains a list of hundreds of TANA supplements reported to the FDA dating back 10 years. Hi, I'm Dr. Maria Conley. I'm going to talk about why many dietary supplements are a waste of money and how they can be harmful to your health. This is even more true for dietary supplements containing more than one ingredient and promoting a specific health claim, such as boosting memory or enhancing sexual performance. Since the passage of the Drug and Supplement Health Education Act, or DSHEA, passed in 1994, any substance labeled as a dietary supplement can be sold to consumers without any verification of its purity or safety. Senator Orrin Hatch from Utah, a politician with heavy ties to the supplement industry, championed the law, which placed dietary supplements in their own unregulated category apart from food and drugs. The act lifted virtually all the meaningful regulation off supplement companies. A dietary supplement maker can market any substance labeled as a supplement without proving that it is effective or safe before selling it to consumers. In addition, there are no requirements to verify the purity of the product that you're selling. We now rely entirely on profit-driven manufacturers to do the right thing and sell a supplement that contains what it is supposed to and that it won't hurt us. According to a recent estimate, only 170 or 0.3% of the 54,000 products on the market have documented safety tests. Not many consumers are aware of this innocent until proven guilty standard for dietary supplements. Unfortunately, this honor system does not work very well. Herbal supplements often contain undisclosed ingredients such as fillers and contaminants. Sometimes the active ingredient is substituted with something else entirely. Supplement makers also like to add prescription drugs to their products. An analysis of FDA warnings from 2007 to 2016, prescription medications were identified in 776 dietary supplements. Most of the adulterated supplements were marketed to enhance sexual function, cause weight loss, or build muscle. Sildenafil, or Viagra, was the most common drug found in supplements advertised for sexual enhancement. Sibutramine, a drug removed from the U.S. market in 2010 due to cardiac risk, was the most common adulterant found in supplements for weight loss. Many of the muscle-building supplements contain synthetic steroids or steroid-like ingredients. So, this is what I tell my patients when they ask about dietary supplements. First, you never know what you're getting, as manufacturers do not have to show that their product is pure or safe, or even that it contains a labeled ingredient before selling it. If you're going to take a supplement, it's best to avoid supplements that have more than one ingredient or make claims such as boosting brain health, building muscle, or enhancing immune function, for example. Supplements making these types of claims are pretty much the equivalent of Clark Stanley's snake oil liniment, which was seized by the USDA and taken off the market in 2015, or I should say 1915. You can also look for supplements with the seal of a third-party verification company, such as U.S. Pharmacopoeia. Thank you for listening. I hope this is helpful for you.